Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Undibu.
Greeting from the top of the log, Stivo.
Orlando Pirates is still at the top.
We are still there.
Orlando Pirates is still number 1.
We are still there. Let's congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns for winning against Polokwane City.
Yes.
This was an easy one for them. Even myself, I was a bit skeptical about the lineup, but I know the plans of Mamelodi. He just is coaching a team that has a lot of former Rulani supporters, not Mamelodi Sundowns supporters.
Yes!
End of the November, he's going to face a tough schedule of CAF Champions League. So when he's trying to rotate his team, bringing in Kutuano, Litaku, who managed to score a brace today, all the way from DDC. This is a brilliant one for the youngsters who managed to play exceptional today.
Yes!
What I was impressed by Kutuano is the fact that his first goal he scored and celebrated Peter Shaulile celebration.
Yes!
The second one he scored and celebrated his hero, Themba Mshishi Zwane. What can you say about Kosa? He also had a great game today at the back there, together with Chapelo Mrena, who was making sure that Abatatazeli Abafana,
yes,
Libuhang Maboyi, today, the whole 90 minutes, he was busy at the heart of the midfield of Mamelodi Sundowns, together with Species Mkulisi, whom to me they had a great game for me, playing there for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes!
I didn't see much of sales, although it was bit holding. As a striker, I expected a lot. However, as for Reines and Ribeiro, they were not here as well. I saw that Reines also comes in. It shows that when you can look into the competition of goalkeeper of the season, Ronald Williams is also raising a hand because this is a clean sheet number 4.
Yes, yes.
Same as Sipo China.
Yes.
And if we can look at Ribeiro together with Reines, they are also raising their hand to say that top goal scorer of the season. They are also raising a hand for me as we look into here. From the Office of Mob Justice Football, Stivo, I received a very unpleasant picture of a certain supporter who is taking us back into the olden days where Mamelodi Sundowns and Pirates, there must be an enemy, not a rivalry. A picture of an old man who's supposed to be into retirement at this particular moment, abusing women, yes, making sure that he provoked the Buccaneers. Stivo, they said that they need safety. They said that they need a security because they're seeing a non-cars without the number plate following them. Yes. Little did we know that they're the one that is going to abuse our own women. Stivo, I'm not saying this from my own understanding, but I'm pledging on Orlando Pirates pledge, yes, that says that we'll protect our women and children against gender-based violence. So I'm saying, yes, don't come here and irritate us, because we'll treat you as such. Yes. But Asikolapo, I was here. We can close it even now.
Give me a man of the match.
Let's give it to Libuhang Maboyi. However, I have a complaint, Stivo.
Yes,
I have complained in terms of endorsement and sponsorship here in South African football. Our current players, they are not endorsed into the way that we wanted them to be appreciated.
Yes.
None of them, they are even doing an advert. So it means that they are only facing into the salary that they receive from their team. But if you can look even here, Stivo, I'm finishing. I'm taking an important issue here. Can I say something?